I wonder what exactly planes fly about us. Well, that might be you. But did you know that you can check it in 2 clicks? Exactly. In this video, I will show you Ultimate Plane Tracker, how to use it, and even some Easter eggs. Let's get started. The app is called Flightradar24 and you can track basically any plane. You plan some plane spotting, click on the airport you're interested in, check arrival and departure times to know what time should you go. Or even curiosity of planes flying above you. Just click on the plane and information will pop on. And if you wait on airport and wonder where is your plane right now, you search your flight number, click on aircraft info, then show on map, and you can check where the plane is and its altitude and even the speed. And what if I have flight and my family is worried? Search your flight number again, click on your flight, then open bottom menu, then on the bottom menu there will be option to share. Click on it and send the link. Person you send it to doesn't even need their Flightradar app. They can use browser version of the app. And what if you seen a strange looking plane in the sky but you didn't have phone name? Don't worry, you can check their past flights by clicking on the playback feature in the bottom menu of the app. And now for the Easter eggs. Did you know that you can track Santa on the night before Christmas Eve? And for example, on April 1st, they launched a fake Concorde flight on the radar. This has been a short showcase of the app Flightradar24. I didn't cover all of its features. Anyways, I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please leave a like and comment Flightradar24 and I will pin how to. See you in another video.